So this is a very odd situation. You know, this is my main machine here, my iPad Pro. Love this guy here. It's my main machine. Well, I still have this old machine here. This is the Nextbook. It's got an Intel chip on the inside. Had it for a few years. Not the best machine on the planet. It does have Windows 10 on it. And at some point, I opened it up, just, you know, cracked it open a little bit, took a peek on the inside, and I promised that I was going to come back and I was going to destroy it one day. I never did. Instead, it's been sitting on the bookshelf over there collecting dust for a long time. Now, I was really into the mood of saying, hey, let's destroy this here. Let's do the stupid YouTube thing like everybody else does and just smash stuff and get hits and points and yada, yada, yada. But then, out of the blue, I looked on, well, what was the story? Someone in the house needed a new dongle for their tablet. And while I was researching something for their tablet, I turned around and guess what? I said to myself, wait, can I do the same thing with this here? The answer is yes. So, I may have sharpened it a little bit. Guess what we have here? We have a pluggable, that's the actual name of it, pluggable, USB 2.0 micro USB Ethernet. And it's 10 base 100. Now, this is on Amazon. Immediately after I bought it, a coworker of mine said that, oh, I've got it at home, yada, yada, yada. And I'm like, oh, well, it's a little bit too late now because I was already going to do an unboxing and everything. And I know that 10100 is not the fastest, but this is not a super fast machine, so I'm not expecting the fastest. I just want something that actually works, and hopefully this whole thing is plug and play. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but it actually says Tuesday, June 21st, and the time is 9:03. What's today's date?
It's Thursday, February 21st, 2019.
So as you can clearly see, somebody over here is wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this with the Ethernet, and hopefully once it does actually get a signal from the web, it goes onto the World Wide Web clock and reconnect that way. Now, I'm supposed to have, there we go. Put it right. And I'm putting it in the wrong hole. There we go. Keep plugging it in, eventually you'll find it. Okay. See if this works. Oh, something's happening. Something's happening. Oh my. I think this is connected. I'm going to use my password here. I'm going to use my old password because this machine is actually stuck on my old password. Just to let you know. Wow. I think this is working. My old password says this is incorrect. So I'm going to go back in here one more time. I'm going to put in my new password. This is working. This is working. This is flipping working. Hello. I'm going to tell it no on that right there because I don't care about that. And it would appear that this is fully functional at this point in time. Let me see if I can get to my website. There we go. Tap here. Oh, keyboard. And Oh, come on, I just got there. There we go. Fully functional. That's all it took. Yeah, this is not a fast machine whatsoever. It's not a fast machine, but, well, it works. So I guess I will not be throwing this away. So, I've got a fully functional device with this little dongle here. That's pretty much all it took. So, fully functional now. Yeehaw.